Morning. It is Saturday morning. I'm going to Pat's house any moment now. Oh, well, I'm going to go get a coffee first. But I had parts ordered. They turned up yesterday. Some of them stayed in the mailbox or got delivered to the front door. But then another one gets sent to the post office. I'm like, oh, it's sweet. The slip says that the bloody post office is open on Saturday mornings. Now they're not. But the slip says it. Oh well, those parts weren't for this video anyway. They were for the next video or video after, whatever. It's not the point. The point is, don't have it on the slip. Whatever. So we're going to Pat's house. Definitely the wrong gear. Well, I'm not doing anything. Well, I'm doing something, but Pat's built me a set of sliders for this thing. Finally, we're putting sliders on it. After months of me thinking about it, I just said, all right, bugger it, Pat just built some. So I'm gonna go get a coffee, and then me and the dog, wherever she is, we're gonna go and get those sliders. We're gonna finish building them, because he's built the main part of it, but we need to build the mounts, and we'll do that on the car. And then I'll have sliders. Yay! Dime bags, baby. Welcome back to Chasing Lines. Look, I got the shirt on. I need to get him one. We're going to build some sliders today. Well, you've already half built one of them. Mostly built one of them.
I filmed a milk crate for 40 minutes.
Yeah, he was trying to film. He's getting on the wagon with filming. And then he was filming, and then his phone fell over, and then he filmed a milk crate, which is perfect, exactly what we needed. And then he deleted it. Deleted the footage. I wanted to use that. That would have been funny.
I was cranky.
But yeah, we're going to build some sliders. I'll check back in with you. Yes. Oh, you're so strong. Like a glove.
Maybe.
It's that top stud. There you go.
Yeah, I think it's bent. That cunt fucking caused me issues before.
So walking into Pat's shed, this is what you get. You get good spiderweb moustache.
No, I only have a single.
So coming to Pat's house always means you got to fix something or put something together before you can work on whatever else you got to work on. So finally, today, we are working on his truck. Finally, it's so good to see this thing getting played with again. We just put a locker in it. So I've got, well, Pat's got all of the panic cars, minus maybe one or two. All of the usual suspects. They're all out here. Look at that lineup. Oh. Hilux, solid axle. Patrol, solid axle. Patrol, solid axle. Hilux, solid axle. How good's this? Just pay someone else to do it. Look at him go. Didn't exactly want that to be a two-part video, but we kind of got distracted, ran out of time. I had things to do, like Saturday afternoon when I went to Pat's. Pat had things to do, so we got them built for the most part. We've just got to make mounts. So that'll be the next video, but in the next video I'll also do my ladder rack. Yeah, thanks heaps for watching. We're getting there, we're growing. Thank you to everyone that commented your Subway order last week. Favourite pizza? What's your favourite kind of pizza this week? And I want to know, do you put pineapple on your pizza? I would love to know, because it seems to be a topic that is important for some reason. So, favourite pizza, like, share, subscribe. Tell me you love me. Tell me you hate me. Whatever. It's all good. See you next week.